What if another human species was walking on Earth at the same time as us, yet looked like it belonged hundreds of thousands of years earlier? Deep inside a dark cave in South Africa, scientists discovered a strange human relative with a combination of features that seemed impossible. It had ancient traits, modern abilities, and a story that challenged everything we thought about human evolution. In this video, we will uncover who hominality was, why its discovery shocked scientists, and the mystery behind this unusual branch of the human family tree. 1. Hominality, the discovery that changed human evolution. For a long time, scientists imagined human evolution as a simple path. Ancient humans slowly became more advanced. Brains became larger. Bodies changed. Technology improved. Each new species seemed to replace the previous one. But in 2015, a discovery in South Africa completely challenged that idea. Deep inside the rising star cave system, researchers found the remains of a previously unknown human species. It was named hominality. At first, scientists were confused by what they were seeing. The bones looked like a mixture of different times in human history. Some features looked ancient, similar to our earliest ancestors. Others looked surprisingly modern, resembling later humans like us and Neanderthals. It was as if evolution had combined different chapters of human history into one species. The discovery created a major question. How could a relatively recent human species still carry features that looked millions of years old? Hominality was not supposed to exist according to the simple version of human evolution, but nature rarely follows simple rules. 2. A human species hidden inside a dangerous cave. The discovery of hominality was unusual from the beginning. The fossils were not found in an open area. They were deep inside the rising star cave system, one of the most difficult cave environments ever explored. The passages were extremely narrow. Some areas required researchers to squeeze through spaces where movement was almost impossible. Reaching the fossil chamber was dangerous even with modern equipment. Inside this difficult environment, scientists discovered something extraordinary. They found the remains of more than 15 individuals. The fossils included males, females, and different age groups. This was not just one damaged skeleton. It was a large collection of bones that gave researchers a detailed look at this mysterious species. The remains were surprisingly well preserved. More than 1,500 bone pieces were recovered during the early discoveries. This allowed scientists to study their body shape, movement, and possible lifestyle. But the biggest surprise was their age. 3. A human from the past living in a recent world. When scientists first looked at hominality, many expected it to be very ancient. Its body seemed to belong to an earlier stage of human evolution. But dating changed everything. Researchers estimated that hominality lived between around 335,000 and 236,000 years ago. That places them surprisingly close to the time when our own species, Homo sapiens, was emerging. This was the part that shocked many scientists. A species with primitive-looking features was living during a period when humans were already developing more advanced traits. It showed that human evolution was not a straight line, where older forms simply disappeared before newer ones appeared. Instead, many different human species existed at the same time. The human family tree was more like a complicated forest with many branches. Hominality was one of the strangest branches. 4. The tiny human with ancient features. One of the most unusual things about hominality was its size. Compared with modern humans, it was very small. The average height was around 143 centimeters, making these individuals roughly 4 feet 9 inches tall. Their bodies were also lightweight. Many individuals weighed less than 40 kilograms. This made them one of the smallest members of the Homo group. However, their small size was not caused by living on an isolated island. Another small human species, Homo floresiensis, became tiny because of island conditions. But hominality lived on mainland Africa. That made their size much more surprising. Their bodies carried features that seemed to connect different stages of human evolution. They had shoulders, ribs, and pelvis structures that looked more similar to earlier human ancestors. But they also had some features that were closer to modern humans. This strange combination made hominality difficult to classify. 5. Hands made for trees, feet made for walking. One of the strangest features of hominality was its unusual body design. Its hands combined modern and ancient traits, with human-like wrists and thumbs but long, curved fingers better suited for climbing. This suggests they may have spent time in trees. However, their legs and feet tell another story. Their bodies were also adapted for walking upright across the ground like other human species. This rare combination made hominality both a skilled climber and an efficient walker, perfectly adapted to multiple environments. 6. The small brain that created a huge mystery. The most surprising feature of hominality was probably its brain. Modern humans usually have large brains compared with other animals. This has often been connected with intelligence, problem-solving, and complex behavior. But hominality had a much smaller brain. Its brain size was around 465 to 610 cubic centimeters. That is about half the size of a modern human brain. At first, scientists expected this smaller brain to mean simpler behavior, but the evidence became more complicated. The shape of the hominality brain showed some similarities with later humans. Certain areas looked more developed than expected. This raised a fascinating possibility. Perhaps intelligence is not only about brain size. A smaller brain may still support complex abilities depending on its organization. However, scientists still do not know exactly how intelligent hominality was. No clear tools or technology have been directly connected to the species. So many questions remain unanswered. 7. Did hominality understand death? One of the biggest mysteries surrounding hominality is why their remains were found deep inside the cave. The location is extremely difficult to reach. This led some researchers to suggest that hominality may have intentionally placed their dead inside the cave. If true, this would be a remarkable discovery. It would suggest that a species with a much smaller brain than ours may have practiced a complex social behavior. However, this idea remains debated. Scientists continue studying whether the bodies reached the cave through deliberate actions or through other natural processes. The mystery exists because the cave contains many hominality remains but very few other clues. There are no confirmed tools, no clear signs of long-term living, just the bones of this strange human relative hidden in darkness. Whatever happened there, the discovery changed how scientists think about ancient humans. 8. The biggest mystery. Where does hominality belong? Even today, hominality remains one of the most difficult human species to place on the family tree. Scientists have several ideas. Some believe it's separated from other human ancestors very early. Others suggest it may represent a unique branch that developed unusual features over time. Another possibility is that it could be connected to older human groups through ancient evolutionary events. The problem is that hominality combines traits from different periods. Its body looks ancient. Its age is relatively recent. Its hands look partly modern and partly primitive. Its brain is small but surprisingly organized. Every discovery creates new questions, and that is what makes hominality so fascinating. It reminds us that human evolution was not a simple journey toward becoming modern humans. Many different experiments happened along the way. Some survived, others disappeared. 9. Why this strange human species disappeared. Hominality did not survive into the modern world. Scientists believe environmental changes may have played a major role. The region of South Africa experienced difficult conditions, including changing climates and harsh seasons. A small-bodied species would have faced challenges finding enough food and surviving extreme periods. They may also have faced competition from other human groups. Large predators such as lions, hyenas, and leopards could have been threats as well. Eventually, hominality disappeared, but its disappearance does not make it unimportant. In fact, it may be one of the most important discoveries in human evolution. It showed that the human story was much stranger and more complicated than scientists once believed. 10. What hominality reveals about human evolution. Hominality changed the way we understand ourselves. It proved that evolution does not always move in a straight direction. A species can keep ancient features while developing new abilities. A small brain does not automatically mean simple behavior. A recent species can still look surprisingly primitive. The human family tree is filled with unexpected branches. Hominality represents one of the strangest ones. It was a human relative that should not fit our expectations, yet it existed. And that is exactly why it matters. Every discovery like this reminds us that the past still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. Hominality was one of the most mysterious human species discovered by science. Its strange combination of ancient and modern features changed the way we understand human evolution. If you enjoyed exploring this forgotten chapter of human history, make sure to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more incredible stories about Earth's past.